India runs on diesel. From trucks carrying goods across highways, every generator at a factory, every machine on a construction site depends on it. But here's the problem. India imports most of its crude oil, and fuel prices keep rising. Now here's the opportunity. What if we could make diesel inside India from waste? Used cooking oil, animal fats, non-edible oils, materials that are usually thrown away, can be converted into biodiesel, a clean, renewable fuel. Biodiesel cuts carbon emissions, reduces oil imports, and helps India move toward energy independence. And for entrepreneurs, it opens the door to a high-demand, policy-backed, and scalable business. The global biodiesel market is growing rapidly, and India is emerging as a major production hub. Demand is locked in, buyers are ready, and government policy is on your side. And here's the real insight most people miss. The opportunity is not in using biodiesel, it's in producing it. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Who should start a biodiesel business? Market research and analysis with growth trend marketing and sales strategy to secure buyers, setup cost, operating cost, and profit margins, funding and investment options available in India, company incorporation and legal approvals, documents you'll need to start, and finally, how Market Research Universe can help you launch and scale this business successfully. Stick around with us, as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. The biodiesel plant business in India is ideal for entrepreneurs looking to enter renewable energy, MSMEs and manufacturers diversifying into green fuels, oil marketing companies and fuel distributors, logistics fleets and transport companies, municipal corporations and public transport units, food companies generating used cooking oil, and ESG and impact investors backing sustainable ventures. With India pushing alternative fuels and waste-to-energy models, this customer base is expanding every year. Market research and analysis. India's biodiesel market is moving from pilot projects to commercial scale. In 2025, the Indian biodiesel market is valued at around $3 billion. By 2035, it is expected to cross $10 billion. This means a strong 13% CAGR over the next decade. So, what's driving this growth? Rising diesel consumption in transport and industry, government focus on reducing crude oil imports, mandatory collection and use of used cooking oil, growing acceptance of biodiesel blending, and corporate ESG and carbon reduction commitments. Major players like Indian Oil, BPCL, HPCL, and private producers are already active. But India needs hundreds of new biodiesel plants to meet future demand. Marketing and sales strategy. In biodiesel, sales really depend on trust, compliance, and, consistency. So, let's look at a branding strategy. You should position yourself as a clean energy and waste-to-fuel solution. It's important to highlight your emission reduction and the sustainability impact you're making. And don't forget to emphasize BIS standards and pollution control compliance. Now, coming to sales channels, you've got a few options. Long-term contracts with oil marketing companies, direct supply to logistics fleets and transporters, power generators and industrial fuel users, municipal corporations and public transport units, and even export markets for certified sustainable biodiesel. As for promotional tactics, participate in renewable energy and biofuel expos. Publish content on waste-to-energy and fuel savings. Partner with food chains for used cooking oil sourcing. And build credibility through LinkedIn and B2B networks. In this business, reliability is what really wins those repeat contracts. Financial planning and profit margins. Now let's talk numbers. A mid-scale biodiesel plant in India typically requires between 6 to 12 crores. Land and civil infrastructure will cost you around 1 to 2 crores, while plant and machinery could be 3 to 5 crores. For storage tanks and logistics, budget about 1 to 1.5 crores, and pollution control and safety systems can add another 50 to 75 lakhs. Licensing, testing, and setup costs come in at about 30 to 50 lakhs. When it comes to profit margins, average gross margins are usually between 18 to 25%. If you manage integrated feedstock sourcing, you could even push those margins above 30%. The break-even period is generally 3 to 4 years. Once your supply chain is stable, biodiesel becomes a steady cash flow business. Funding and investment options. So biodiesel is, strongly supported by green energy financing. Bootstrapping usually works pretty well for small plants. When it comes to government support, there's the National Policy on Bioenergy, various waste-to-energy programs, ESG and NABARD green finance loans, and also state renewable energy subsidies. On the external funding side, you've got options like clean tech and ESG venture capital funds, strategic partnerships with oil companies, impact investors, and climate funds, plus international funding from IFC, ADB, and the World Bank. Investors, honestly, are actively looking for profitable climate-positive businesses, and biodiesel fits perfectly. Company incorporation and legal setups. Before you start operations, legal compliance is absolutely critical. The best structure, especially for scalability, is usually a private limited company, while smaller setups can begin as LLPs. Mandatory registrations include GST registration, UDIM MSME registration, Pollution Control Board approvals, BIS certification for biodiesel, factory license and fire safety key, and, if you plan to export fuel, an import-export code. Supported documents required. You'll need a few key documents like founder identity and address proof, MOA and AOA or an LLP agreement, land or lease documents, plant layout and machinery details, environmental clearance documents, financial projections and a solid business plan, and also feedstock sourcing agreements. How Market Research Universe can help. Starting a biodiesel plant involves market research, compliance, and financial planning. And that's where Market Research Universe, or MRU, really comes in. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% of startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It's basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now, time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. Your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity. And then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mridul and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 80 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh program in market research and business consulting. So till the time I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I am also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International. And recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now this is an India-based and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course through this platform our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship also to understand your interest, passion and your skill set. And through this platform we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market forecasting, and then find out the best profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success. Okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days. Okay, after that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that, or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're going to launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're going to keep continue with your, branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.